In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put text over image in Squarespace. To get started, open the page where you want this design to appear. From there, click Edit so you can make changes to the page layout. Once you are in editing mode, move your cursor over the specific section where you want the text to sit on top of an image. Then click Edit Section, or click the small pencil icon if that is what you see on your screen. This opens the section settings, where you can control how that part of the page looks. Inside the section settings, go to the Background tab. This is where you can add or change the image that appears behind your content. Click Add an image or use the plus icon, and upload the photo you want to use. Choose an image that fits the message of the section and has enough space for text to sit clearly on top. Once the image is added, you are ready to place your text over it. Now close the section settings menu so you can work directly inside the page section. Click into the middle of that section and add a standard text block. After that, type the message you want visitors to see. This could be a heading, a short description, or any text that supports the image. Placing the text directly in the section is what creates the text over image effect in Squarespace. If your text is difficult to read because the image is too bright or busy, you can adjust that very easily. Open Edit Section again and return to the Background tab. Look for the Overlay Opacity slider. Dragging this slider up will darken the background image with an overlay, which helps the text stand out more clearly. This is especially useful when your image has a lot of detail or light areas behind the words. Make small adjustments until the text feels easy to read without making the image look too dark. When everything looks the way you want, click Done in the top left corner to exit the section settings. Then click Save to apply your changes to the page. That is the full process for putting text over an image in Squarespace. Once you have done it once, it becomes very quick to repeat on other sections and pages. That covers everything you need to know.